Like me, are you also worried about your children? Will they be able to take their decisions in life? Will they be able to choose their career paths and reach the heights where they want to reach? Are you fearful about your children? Will they be able to move out in the world and connect with people, mingle with them? Are you scared? Our children, are they ready? Are they empowered enough to take care of their social and emotional needs? I was also the same worried parent, the same confused parent who was looking out for answers. And then we got the support from Arohi community, where we got the insights to implement practical solutions on daily basis, which we work together with Mishti, our
Arohi
daughter.
Deep is for parents who want to really deepen their child's education. And the best part is you're not alone in this journey, right? You have the expertise, all the processes, tools that Arohi mentors have been working with children for the last almost 2 decades. And to add to it, you also have the support, the hand holding of so many Arohi families who have been on this journey for many years, right? So Deep is for you if as a parent you're looking for an education that goes beyond mere 5-6 subjects. You're looking for an education which also builds your relationship with the child, where you can understand what are your child's strengths, what are their talents, and nurture them in that direction to also make it their professional choices, career guidance.
Explore various options by which we can deepen our child's education. If the child is at home, we are taking education in our hands. So we come together and bring a lot of tools like what if the child is not able to decide what to do the whole day, whole week, whole month. So a simple tool like we call it bucket planning. So in different buckets we put what all different areas we can now put in this bucket. Means each child decides. So we share this kind of tools with parents, and we guide the child how to use these tools at home.
Your home is full of resources. Your neighborhood is full of people to whom we can connect and socialize. And through this program, we together discover the possibilities of learning in and around home.
Most parents feel a little scared. How will I give value to the child when I don't even know what all to do? And that's where a group comes in. That's where 1, 2, 15, 20, 30 people who are all doing or have done this journey like us can really add value, take away your scare and turn it into a beautiful, joyous working with your child. The other advantage is you get parents who have worked with different ages of children, so they bring in different perspectives, and that really helps because the journey is not about some 3 months or 6 months. It's gonna be a long journey with your child, and we're gonna make it an enriching long journey.
We invite you to be part of Arohi's Deep, an online program for parents, and that's you.